Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, today I will explain to you about the array. Okay, basically array is how can we declare one variable but can hold many values, but same data type. That is array. One variable but can hold many values. That is the array. Okay, here basically the how can we declare our array, uh, the variable of array. For example, here. Okay, before I uh, continue, basically these topics. First, I will give you introduction about the array, and then after that, I will give you the example of the array. Okay, and then here the example, how can um, the syntax, how to declare the variable. For example, here in this case, how we give the initial value for the array. For example, here we have variable here, and then you put your variable name here, and then equal to, and then new here. Okay, basically this is the object, and then we start a array. A is a capital. Okay, and then array, and then inside the bracket here we have your value, and then each value basically we separate by comma, and then for example you have value 1, value 2, and value n until and value n. Basically that is how we declare our variables. Okay, next, this array basically we have another function we call concat. Basically how can we combine two array become one array. Okay, here the example here. For example, we have variable here, variable 1, array 1, and then here we have new, and then array we have value of array 1, and then here we have another variable, example variable array 2. Then we have new, and then array, and then value. So here we have a new two variable here, array 1 and array 2. And then how basically we combine these two array became one array here. So here we have variable here, and then equal to, how we combine. First basically we have array 1 dot concat, and then inside the bracket we have variable array 2. So here first value basically variable array 1, and then the second value is variable array 2. So these two array basically we combine and they become one array. Okay, example, so you have to declare new variable for new array. This one we use concat to combine these two variables. Okay, inside also this one, this part actually, how can we insert new variable, the array value from the user. For example, here we have variable here, new array, and then here basically the number of array. Okay, and then here how basically this one using prompt. Okay, for example, here our variable name, and then here basically is the index. Okay, our index here I, and then equal to prompt, and then insert your, for example here, insert your variable name. For example, in this case I want you to insert the your favorite fruit. But here before I finish this one, and then another option here we will put actually inside our array is sort. Basically sort is another built-in function where we can use this sort to sort our array. And then also we have pop. Basically pop also another function, built-in function. Pop basically we want to delete the array. And then we have what we call push. Push basically another function also to add to the array. And then that's all for now for the introduction of the array. Thank you.